Dolly Parton's sister, is calling upon the country legend's massive fan base for support. 1 week after Parton, 79, pulled out of her limited Las Vegas engagement over health challenges, her younger sister, Freida Parton, is asking fans to keep the singer in their thoughts and prayers. "Last night, I was up all night praying for my sister Dolly," Freida began her Tuesday Facebook post. "Many of you know she hasn't been feeling her best lately. I truly believe in the power of prayer, and I have been led to ask all of the world that loves her to be prayer warriors and pray with me." Freida continued, "She's strong, she's loved, and with all the prayers being lifted for her, I know in my heart she's going to be just fine. Godspeed, my sissy Dolly. We all love you." A representative for Dolly Parton did not immediately respond to Entertainment Weekly's request for comment. More so, Freida later reassured fans by adding in another social media post that she didn't mean to make her sister's condition sound so serious. Freida said on Facebook, "I want to clear something up. I didn't mean to scare anyone or make it sound so serious when asking for prayers for Dolly. She's been a little under the weather, and I simply asked for prayers because I believe so strongly in the power of prayer. It was nothing more than a little sister asking for prayers for her big sister." She added, "Thank you all for lifting her up. Your love truly makes a difference." In related issues, Dolly's Vegas residency, which, as we say, has been postponed, would have been her first in more than 30 years. The Jolene singer wrote on Instagram on September 29, "As many of you know, I have been dealing with some health challenges, and my doctors tell me that I must have a few procedures. As I joked with them, it must be time for my 100,000-mile checkup, although it's not the usual trip to see my plastic surgeon." Late last month, the 9 to 5 singer announced that her 6-night engagement at the Coliseum at Caesar's Palace, Dolly Live in Las Vegas, would be postponed from December 2025 to September 2026. It would have been the first time that she performed an extended run in the city in nearly 3 decades. Parton shared that she remains plenty busy with other projects, but isn't able to rehearse or perform on stage. "You pay good money to see me perform, and I want to be at my best for you," she added. Then, the star, who's been in show business since age 13, assured fans that she has no plan to retire anytime soon. "Don't worry about me quitting the business because God hasn't said anything about stopping yet," she wrote. "But I believe He is telling me to slow down right now, so Elle can be ready for more big adventures with all of you." Prior to the announcement, Parton inspired some concern by missing a scheduled appearance at her theme park Dollywood, citing, "a kidney stone that has caused me a lot of problems." It was subsequently announced that Parton would be absent from the November Governor's Awards ceremony, where she is set to receive an honorary Oscar known as the Jean Hersholt Humanitarian Award. A rep for the actress told EW at the time that her planned absence is unrelated to any health concerns. She is expected to give her acceptance speech remotely from Nashville. Parton's medical struggles come at a difficult time for the singer, whose husband of 58 years, Carl Dean, died at 82 earlier this year. Our prayers are with Dolly Parton. Drop a prayer for her in the comments below.